Today concept is factors affecting the rate of reaction. Factors affecting the rate of reaction. Which factors affected to rate of reaction? Okay. First factor is concentration of reactants. Concentration of reactants affect the rate of reaction. Next one, nature of reactants also affect the rate of reaction. Third one, surface area of reactants also affect the rate of reaction. Next one, catalyst also affect the rate of reaction. Next one, temperature also affect the rate of reaction. These 5 factors affected to rate of reaction. A rate of reaction affected by these 5 factors. Okay, I will discuss about these 5 chapters. First one, 5 factors. First one, concentration of reactant. Okay. First of all, already you know that A gives rise to B. This is a chemical reaction. In this chemical reaction, A converted to B. Initial taking compounds are reactant, final forming compounds are product. This is a chemical reaction. Okay. But what is the reason? What happened here? How reactant converted to product? Okay. Converted to product. You can take A compounds or molecules or atoms, whatever it may be. First of all, the bonds between A also present. Okay. In which during the chemical reaction, okay, the bond between A are broken. Okay, A are broken. And the bond between BB is formed. Okay. During the chemical reaction, the bond between reactants are broken. The bond between products are formed. Okay. What factor involved in the broken the bonds between reactants? What factor involved in the broken the bonds between reactants? That is a collision factor. What is the collision? Okay, collision means collide. Okay, one A atom collide with another A atom. Strongly touched with A atom. Okay, during this situation, some energy is released. Due to this energy, the bonds between reactants are broken, and also the bonds between products are formed. Okay, that is called kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. That is called kinetic energy. Okay. Okay. Next one. This energy is known as activation energy. Activation energy. What is the meaning of activation energy? Okay. Activation energy. Activation energy. The energy required to reactant converted to product. That energy is known as activation energy. Very, very important. The energy required reactants converted to products. That energy is known as activation energy. That energy is known as activation energy. Activation energy. This activation energy provided by reactant molecules due to collisions. Very, very important factor. This activation energy provided to reactant molecules due to collisions between reactant molecules. Whenever reactant molecules collide to each other, the amount of energy released, that amount of energy is equal to activation energy that reactant molecule converted to product molecule. Okay? Clear? The three factors very, very important: collision and kinetic energy and activation energy. Activation energy. What behind the reason during the chemical reaction, reactant converted to product? This is a main concept. During the chemical reactions, reactant molecule collide to each other. Due to this collision, some amount of energy released. This amount of energy is equal to or greater than activation energy that reactant molecule converted to product. What is the activation energy? The energy required to reactant converted to product. That energy is known as activation energy. The activation energy provided to reactant molecule due to the collisions between reactant molecule. Okay, this is a main concept behind the chemical reaction. Okay, clear. Here, listen clear. If reactant concentrations increases, rate of reaction also increases. How can you say that? If reactant concentration increases, rate of reaction also increases. How can say that? Okay, that is a clear factor. Okay, what is the concentration? Concentration is equal to N by V, number of moles by volume. Okay, I can take one reaction, that is A gives rise to B. Okay, this reaction proceeding this container, this reaction proceeding same container. The volume of these two containers are same, that is 1 liter, Okay, but this is a first container, this is a second container. Okay, first container I can take 2 moles of A. First container I can take 2 moles of A reactant. That's why 2 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms present in first container. Okay. Next one, second container, I can take 5 moles of A. 5 moles of A. That's why second container containing 5.5 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms. Volume is same, but number of atoms or molecules are increases. That's why between the collisions in second container is more compared to first container. Why? Because volume is same. The number of moles increases. That's why kinetic energy of molecules also increase. Molecules also same. But here amount of atoms or molecules increases. The collisions between these atoms or molecules increases. If collisions increases, okay, collisions increases and rate of reaction also increases. Collisions increases, activated colloid particle, activated collisions also increases, then rate of reaction also increases. Clear? Okay. Here 2 moles, I can take 2 moles. Here 5 moles. Volume is same. That's why concentration increases here. Okay na? Here 2 into 6.023, 2 into 6.023. Okay, 10 power 23 atoms are present. Here 5 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms here. Volume space is same. Okay, but the number of atoms or molecules present and at the space here increases. That's why here collisions also increases. Activated collisions also increases. Rate of reaction also increases. Okay, rate of reaction also increases. Okay, rate of reaction directly proportional to concentration of reactants. Okay, first factor is clear. Okay, if reactant concentration increases, rate of reaction also increases. Why? Because reactant concentration increases, number of molecules, atoms in given volume also increases. That's why collisions between these given volume, okay, but this given volume also increases. That's why activated collisions increases, rate of reaction also increases. Activated collisions. Okay, what is activated collisions? Simple. Activated collisions. Okay, already you know that reactant converts product. Okay, the amount of energy required reactants converted to products. That amount of energy is called activation energy. Clear? Activation energy. Which collisions having activation energy are more than activation energy? Which collisions provide activation energy or more activation energy? That collisions is called activated collisions. That collisions are activation. At this collisions, reactant converted to product. If activation collisions increases, number of activated collisions increases, reactant molecule converted to product. That's why rate of reaction also increases. Clear? Okay. Which collisions provide the activation energy or more than activation energy? That collisions are activated collisions. If activated collisions increases, reactant molecule converted to product. That's why rate of reaction also increases. Next one. Nature of the reactants. Nature of the reactants. Nature means state. Okay. Reactants present in gaseous states and liquid state and solid state. Already you know the reactants converted to products. This is a chemical reaction. Okay, A gives rise to B. A gives rise to B. Okay, and during the chemical reaction, the bonds between A are broken. Yeah, broken. You can observe the gaseous stated reactant, liquid stated reactant, solid stated reactant. AA, this is a gas form. AA, this is a liquid form. AA, this is a solid form. Okay, in which in these three stated, the attraction, the bonds are more, in which the bonds are more strong. Okay, in solid form is bonds are more strong. Clear? Clear. After that, liquid form bonds are more strong. Okay, very less strong bonds present between atoms in gaseous state. Okay, that's why gaseous stated molecule easily broken. Clear? After that, liquid state molecule. After that, solid state molecule. Okay. First of all, during the chemical reaction, the bonds between AA or reactants is broken. After that, new bonds formed between products. That is a second. Okay, that is a second factor. Initially, the reactant bonds are broken. Okay, now if reactant having lower attraction forces or lower bonds, lower energy bonds, lower attraction forces, okay, lower attraction forces are weak bonds. Okay, reactant molecules having weak bonds, then easily broken and it converted to products. Okay, in which three states, gaseous states are having weak bonds between reactant molecules compared to liquid molecules compared to solid molecules. Okay, next one, the bonds between solid molecules is very strong. That's why you can broken the bonds between solid molecule. You can supply. We have high amount of energy. That way you can supply high amount of energy. The rate of reaction also decreases. Finally, the rate of reaction, nature of reactant is gaseous state reactants. The reactants present in gaseous state is more greater than compared to next one liquid state, next one solid state, clear? Next one solid state. Why? Because what is the meaning of reaction? During the chemical reaction, the bonds between reactant molecules are broken. If bonds between are present in reactant molecules are weak, then easily broken and it converted to product. Okay, in three stated, which stated having weak bonds, that is a gaseous state. gaseous state having weak bonds between atoms or molecules. That's why gaseous stated atoms easily broke bonds and be converted to product. That's why the rate of reaction is gaseous state molecules having more compared to liquid state compared to solid state. Okay now. The least rate of reaction having solid state molecule. Why? Because the attraction forces between solid state molecule is very high. That's why you can supply high amount of energy, break that attraction forces. The activation energy is very high. Okay, very high. This is the nature of the reactor. Next one, surface area of reactor. Simple. Okay. Here A gives rise to B. Here A gives rise to B. Okay. The surface area A is less than compared to first one and second one. Here, second. Okay. The surface area A is more. The surface area is more. Then reactant molecule deposited is more compared to here. That's why reactant molecules are increases on the surface area. Rate of reactions also increases. Clear? Rate of reaction also increases. Okay. The surface area of reactant increases, rate of reaction also increases. Okay. Surface area increases. Okay now. The number of atoms deposited on the surface area also increases. If number of atoms deposited on the surface area increases, the collisions between that atom also increases, and activated collisions also increases. Then finally rate of reaction also increases. Clear? Next one, very very important factor, catalyst effect. Fourth one. Catalyst effect. Catalyst. What is catalyst? This is a chemical compound which increases the rate of reaction but not consumed in the reaction. That is called catalyst. Okay. The chemical substance which increases the rate of reaction but not consumed in the reaction is known as catalyst. These reactions are called catalytic reactions. Okay. Catalytic reaction. Okay. The chemical substance which increase the rate of reaction but not consumed in the reaction is known as catalyst. These reactions are called catalytic reactions. Clear? Okay. Why catalyst increase the rate of reaction? What happened when added to the catalyst any chemical reaction? What happened? And you add it to the chemical catalyst to chemical reaction. Okay. What is the reason? What is the reason? Okay. Simple, clear. Okay. Okay. I can represent in graph form. Axis x-axis. A gives rise to B. Okay? A gives rise to B. This is a chemical reaction. You have taken A. This is the energy. A. Listen carefully. Energy. Okay? This is the energy. A energy. Okay? This is the activated energy. This is the activated energy. This is a normal energy. Normal energy. Here on. Okay? Normal energy. This is a activated energy. This is a normal energy. Okay? If you can take reactant, that time reactant having normal energy. Having energy is normal energy. Clear? Okay? If reactant converted to product, okay, now that reactant required to amount of energy is known as activated energy. Okay, that is this. Clear? That is this. Okay. How to gain the activated energy reactant molecule from this energy to this energy? Due to collisions. Due to collisions. Okay. Reactant initial stage having energy is normal energy. If in case reactant converted to product, that reactant having activated, that reactant wanted, okay, now wanted this amount of energy. That amount of energy is called activated energy. Okay. Why? How reactant molecule gaining normal energy to activated energy? Okay, due to collisions. If reactant molecule collide to each other, the amount of energy is released. That amount of energy is equal to the activation energy or greater than activation energy. That reactant molecule converted to product. That reactant molecule converted to product. This is the activated energy. This is the products. Clear? Clear? Okay. If you can add the catalyst for this reaction, if you can add the catalyst for this reaction, for example, during the chemical reaction, 1000 collisions are activated collisions. Activated collisions. Energy is 50 kilocalories. 50 kilocalories. Remaining 2000 collisions, non-activated collisions, the amount of energy during the collisions is 35 kilocalories. 35 kilocalories. Clear? Okay? Before adding the catalyst, 100 collisions, activated collisions. Okay, now the activated energy is 50 kilocalories. Okay, 2000 collisions, non-activated collisions. If during the collides, okay, now that amount of energy is released. That amount of energy is 35 kilocalories. If you can add the catalyst, this catalyst decreases the activation energy. Very important part. Decreases the activation energy. If add the catalyst, the A converted to B, this amount of energy. Okay, this amount of energy is 30 kilocalories. 30 kilocalories. You observe here. Here 2000 collisions are also activated collisions. Here 2000 collisions. During the 2000 collisions, okay, each one collisions release 35 kilocalories. 35 kilocalories. Normal stage, normal reaction, this 35 kilocalories does not activated energy. Okay, does not equal to activated energy. That's why this 2000 collisions, non-activated collisions. That's why this 2000 collisions, okay, molecules does not converted to reactant to product. Reactant to product. Okay. After the adding catalyst, catalyst decreases the activation energy. Decreases the activation energy. If the here A converted to B, this amount of energy, this is activation energy. Activation energy decreases. Okay, that activation energy is 30 kilocalories. Okay, you can observe this. After the adding the catalyst, remaining 2000 collisions are also activated collisions. Why? Because activated energy is 30 kilocalories, but here 35 kilocalories are released. That's why 2000 collisions also active. Okay, initially 100 activated collision, 1000 activated collision converted to reactant. After adding 3000 collisions, activated collisions converted to reactant. Okay, finally rate of reaction increases. Rate of reaction increases. Simple. What is the reason? Okay, now what is the reason? When adding the catalyst to the reaction, it increases the rate of reaction. Simple. That is it. Okay. If you add the catalyst, any chemical reaction, that decreases the activation energy and increases also activated collisions. Next one is first one. Next one, second one. In some cases, some chemical reaction, catalyst change the path of chemical reaction. Change the path. For example, A gives rise to B, this path. During the chemical reaction, this path. Okay. If add the catalyst during the chemical reaction, this path. Here also activation energy decreases. Activation energy decreases. That's why rate of reaction also increases. Clear? If catalyst having two words, do the two words. Catalyst have the two words. First one is activation energy decreases. Second one is change the reaction path. Change the reaction. These two factors, catalyst increase the rate of reaction. Increase in rate of reaction. Okay, clear? Explanation is clear? Okay, next one. Once again I repeat. Okay, catalyst. What is catalyst? The chemical substance which increase the rate of reaction but not consumed in the reaction. That chemical substance is catalyst. That chemical substance is catalyst. Okay, the chemical reactions are called catalytic chemical reactions. Okay, very important. What is the reason why you can add the catalyst to the reaction, it increase the rate of reaction? It will increase the rate of reaction. Okay, there is two factors. If add the catalyst to the reaction, the activation energy of this reaction is decreased. Activation energy of this reaction is decreased. Okay, next, and also change path of reaction. Change path of chemical reaction. Change path of chemical reaction. These two factors very important. Your purpose. Okay. Next one, last one. Temperature effect. Simple concept, very interesting concept. Number of questions coming from this concept in objective level. Temperature effect. Clear? For example, already you know that I can take one reaction container. Here volume same, number of moles also same. Okay. This is A gives rise to B. This is a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction also same. Volume same. Number of moles also same. But this chemical reaction during at 25 degrees centigrade, this chemical reaction during at 35 degrees centigrade. If increase the temperature, the kinetic energy of molecule also increases. Clear? Kinetic energy of molecule also increases. Molecules also increases. Clear? Clear? Kinetic energy of molecule also increases. Then the molecule collide with each other fastly. That's why the increases energy also, releasing energy also increases. Releasing energy also increases. Clear? For example, you can take one bike. Okay, velocity is 30 km per hour. 30 km per hour. Collide with another 30 km per hour bike. Okay. If you can take second bike moving 50 km per hour. 50 km per hour. Okay. Collide with another 50 km per hour bike. Okay. In these two collisions, which collisions is strong? Which collisions is strong? Okay, 50 km per hour bike collisions is a very strong and very damaged. What is meaning? That release high amount of energy. High amount of energy compared to this one. Okay, high amount of energy compared to this one. If temperature increases, kinetic energy of molecule also increases. Kinetic energy of molecule also increases. Then activation, the amount of energy released when during the collisions also increases. That's why activated collisions also increases. Then rate of reaction also increases. Okay. Finally, temperature increases. Rate of reaction also increases. Okay. Next one, very important, just formula, that is a Arrhenius equation. The great scientist Arrhenius proposed relation between rate of reaction and temperature. Okay, rate of reaction, temperature. Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius proposed the equation relation between the rate of reaction and temperature. Temperature. Okay, that is K is equal to A into E minus EA by RT. This is a Arrhenius rate equation. Here K is equal to rate constant. A is equal to Arrhenius factor. Okay. EA is equal to activation energy. Okay. R is equal to universal gas constant. T is equal to temperature. You can observe this equation. Here temperature increases, activation energy decreases. Rate of reaction also increases. Rate of reaction also increases. Okay. Arrhenius. The great scientist Arrhenius proposed relation between the rate of reaction and temperature, that is called Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation is equal K is equal to A into E power minus EA by RT. Okay, here K is equal to rate constant, A is equal to Arrhenius factor, E is equal to activation energy, R is equal to universal gas constant, T is equal to temperature. Temperature increases, activation energy decreases, then rate of reaction also increases.